let's move toward the third question. And third question is, Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed of Abdul's trip? So, okay, here question is very clearly saying that Abdul went to the school with the 20 km per hour speed, and due to less traffic he increases the speed while returning time, and it was 30 km per hour. And we have to calculate the we have to calculate the average speed of his trip, means including going as well as coming. So let me move to the solution. So first of all, let's assume that here is the Abdul's home and here is his school. He is going by scooty and going with a 20 km per hour. Let's say this is Abdul home and this is Abdul school, and distance between them is S. Okay, fine. Now Abdul is going with 20 km per hour while he is returning with 30 km per hour. Let's move toward solution. So case 1, we are considering that Abdul is moving from home to a school, and we know that average speed is a distance by time, total distance by total time taken. So here distance is S and speed is 20 km per hour for going, and so the time can be written as, you can see here from this equation we can write time equal to distance by speed, and we let assume that T1 is the time taken by Abdul to move from home to school. So time T1 can be written as total distance between the school and home was S and speed was 20 km per hour. So time T1 can be written as distance S by speed is 20. This is a time T1 for going a school from home. Now this is what I have written here. Now let's assume the second case when Abdul is returning back to home. So here distance will not change because distance between school and home will not change, it is a fix. So here distance is still S, and let's say this time he will take less time because speed is more. So let's say time T2 is the time to reach from school to home, and that can be written as distance, and which is S by speed, which is 30 km per hour. So this time T1 is a time for going from home to school, and time T2 is time for going from school to home. So total time, if I am talking about the total time, that will be T1 plus T2, and this can be written as S by 20 plus S by 30, and if you take LCM, 60 is the LCM, and here you will get 3S plus S, and that will make it, the total time will make 5S by 60. So now let's move to this case number 2. I have written case 2, returning from school to home, and time T2 has been written as S by 30. Up to here everything clear? And here we had calculated total time. that was here written 3s plus 2s is, that is 5s by 60 hour. This is the time which has been calculated, total time. Now come to the total trip. We are discussing about the total distance of the trip, which will be s distance for going and s for coming, that is 2s, which is here I have written total distance is 2s, and total time is t1 plus t2, which is what, 5s by 60. Super. And the total, now we have to calculate the average speed of this trip. So average speed of the trip can be written as total distance by total time, and total distance is 2s and total time is t1 plus t2. So that is what I have written, and this is nothing but 2s divided by 5s by 60, and s will get cancelled. You will get this 5 will get cancelled by 12 by 12 times, and this 12 will go up, will make it 24 hours. So speed of Abdul is, average speed of the Abdul is coming 24 km per hour. For a more video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.